So we're talking about something important. We're talking about education. Here's two ways of learning. One is a class of 1,000 students in a lecture hall, and the other one is a private one-on-one private lesson where the instruction is adaptive, personalized, and effective. Raise your hand if you agree with me that the second way of learning is a bit better. Thank you. We already agree. I can get off now. So wouldn't it be cool if there was technology that enabled us to deliver one-on-one personalized and adaptive experience to every learner on the planet? Well, now there is, and it's called Smart Sparrow. So we're talking about education. Education is the future, but education is also a $4 trillion business market that is currently moving online. Like news, like advertising, like books, the future of education is online. Right now, universities all over the world are busy moving their courses to online. But there's a little problem. And the problem can be described as that online education is kind of suboptimal. You see, we are stuck with a paradigm that limits us to PowerPoints, PDF, and multiple choice questions. These are 21st century supercomputers, and all we can think about is how to teach online with multiple choice questions. We think you can do much, much better. We can do much more. Smart Sparrow is an edtech startup with a mission of making online learning more interactive, more intelligent, and more adaptive, a personalized learning experience. We spun out of the University of New South Wales following 7 years of research and development in an area called Intelligent Tutoring System. Let me give you an example of what I mean with more interactive, more intelligent, and more personalized learning experience. This is an adaptive tutorial in engineering. Student, in order to solve this, needs to draw a graph, not just select a multiple choice, the right answer from multiple choice. Remember that picture of the private tutor in the first slide? The system sort of see what the student is doing and give them the right feedback as they need it, when they need it. This is a virtual lab. It's a rich, game-like experience where students learn science by doing experiments. Like a tutor over the shoulder who's looking at what they're doing in this virtual lab, the system provides them with just-in-time feedback, adaptation, and a personalized learning experience. It's pretty cool. How do you teach nurses how to defibrillate patients? With a PDF and a multiple choice quiz? Clearly, you can't send them to train on real patients, right? This is a rich simulation that not only guides nurses as they're going through important procedures in order to defibrillate patients and give them the right feedback that they need, it also gives a report to the head nurse that tells her which nurse keeps killing the patient. You can agree with me, this is pretty important. All these are examples of content that we call personalized, rich, and adaptive. We call it smart content. And it's all have been developed by our client using what we call our product, which is the adaptive e-learning platform. You can think of the adaptive e-learning platform as the office for adaptive e-learning. We sell it as a software as a service license primarily to the university market right now, focusing on learning by doing disciplines such as science, engineering, and medicine. We are a one-year-old startup company, and it was quite a ride. We closed a round of investment last year, and since then we grew the team and took the technology out of the university. We're currently doing business with G8 University here in Australia. We had a very successful public launch in July. But I think the most interesting part is what we engage with is a big national project to revolutionize the way we teach doctors and nurses in this country. And we are doing it with the top 10 universities in Australia. We have already beachhead into the US market with the world's largest university, Arizona State, and we have already begun early discussions with publishers. This is a snapshot of the forum that we ran early in the year. We had a turnout of more than 200 professors and international keynote speakers. And here's a glimpse of the kind of cool stuff that our clients are doing with our technology. Arizona State University have developed Habitable Worlds, the world's first smart course. It teaches the science behind the search for life beyond Earth with students who are engaging with scientifically accurate simulation and just-in-time lectures. If you want to see and learn what makes this course so smart, check habworlds.org. It was an exciting 2012, and we're looking forward for a phenomenal 2013. The demand for online education is going through the roof, and with it, the demand for adaptive and personalized platform is exploding. We are well positioned to invest in our product to make it better and smarter. We will continue collaborate with key strategic partners on big projects, like I mentioned before. We are working on making our technology not only personalized, but also social learning experience. We're definitely talking on a US expansion and a round B. Thank you.
Thank you very much.